Installation and disassembly procedures for inkjet coating ink cartridges. Open the cover. Place and install the ink cartridge. Press this button to power on the unit. If full dot printing is required. If full dot printing is not required, click Printing. If there is no full dot printing for more than 10 minutes, power off the equipment. Click this button again. Remove the ink cartridge. Close and refit the cover.